Welcome to Daily Math News on Channel 5, bringing you the hardest math problems of today. Today we will have guest Kent Johnston with us to help us solve our daily math problem.
Thank you. It's a pleasure having me on the show today.
Our question for today is, how can we use the clinometer to find the measurements of the height of a house? Today our problem will be, Jeffrey has to find how tall his house is in order to get a ladder to match that height. What are your thoughts on this, Kent?
Clinometers every day to help us find measures for things that are too big to measure with a normal tape measure. A clinometer measures the angle from your eyes to the object that you're trying to measure.
These are the facts as we currently know them. Jeffrey is 180 inches away from his house, and the kilometer is looking up at a 50-degree angle. And Jeffrey is 70.8 inches tall to his eye level. We now have to figure out how tall is the house so he can put the shingles on his roof.
Now this may not seem like a lot to measure to find the height of the ladder, but using tangents and a calculator, we can easily solve this problem in no time.
More on this in 10 seconds. Okay, we are back. Kent, do you have your final answer?
The first step in figuring out this problem is to find the length of the opposite side of the angle. To find the opposite side of the angle length, divide 180 by the tangent of the angle that you found from the clinometer. Then you add the eye height to the number you just got.
We can check our work by doing the opposite, which is the inverse of tangent.
The inverse is usually something that you can only find in a calculator because it is very, very hard to do with your hands and no calculator. And then that's the best way to check if your answer is right.
Okay, that's all we have for today, and see you next time.